Well, we're here at the truck wash. We're going to get everything washed. We're going to have the truck trailer inside and out washed, engine wash, um, everything. Since it's a nice day out. Now I just recorded the whole trip from well, pretty much the whole trip from what was it, Remington, whatever it's called up there in Massachusetts, all the way down here, 100 and something miles. I don't know how the last part of it came out because the battery started to die and the screen got real dim. I'm hoping it's still recorded. We'll see here in a little bit. But they don't want me out of my truck here, so they stay in their truck. Well, whatever. Just get her washed. It is a beautiful day down here. I don't know what the temperature is, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. I say gorgeous. Log out of all my things so I am off duty. 10-4. Here's the owner of the place, or one of the owners. Pretty nice people here. Pretty nice folks. This guy's trailer is nasty. Of course, they're spraying all that out of my truck. So it's a good thing I'm getting the whole thing washed, huh? Oh well.
What we get today?
Everything.
Truck trailer washout?
Truck trailer washout, engine wash.
Okay, you got it.
Part of the video there, there's a black, I think it's black or dark blue, little station wagon thing. It passed me. He gets in front of me, and I guess he saw me recording because he opened his sunroof and started waving. See if we can spot him and all that. I'm going to load that stuff up separate because it's going to be huge. So it'll probably be in several parts. Yeah, otherwise, because I won't be able to do it all at once. It's too big. So I'll probably break it up in little parts and I'll number it 1, 2, 3 or something. 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. I don't know. It's pretty big, so I don't know. It took us a couple hours to get down here, so anyway, that's what we're doing. We're here. After we get down here, I'm gonna go park over yonder somewhere. Hopefully, there's still somewhere to park. And then I'm gonna get a shower. I've been wearing this shirt for 3 days. I spilled a burrito on it this morning. Oh well. Yeah, but I'm gonna give me a shower. Oh, I gotta do some laundry too. Anyway, anyway. So I'll catch up with y'all afterwards or later. We finally got our T-load. We pick up Thursday, so I'll be sitting around here for a couple of days anyway. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's supposed to rain a little bit. Hopefully not too much. Anyway, I'll catch up with y'all later. Y'all have a fantastic day. Talk to you in a while. Bye.